Welcome, 090 students. Today we're going to talk about what is undefined and what does it mean. So many people just learn this and they just say, well, it's undefined because when you divide by 0, it's undefined. And a lot of people, are cool with that, but I want to explain to you what undefined actually means by using a pattern. So I want you to check this out. If you have, say, the number 20 and you divide it by 5, that equals 4. Everybody knows this. If you take another example, 28 divided by 4, that equals 7. I'm going to establish a pattern here, and you'll see what I'm doing here in a second. Take the number 30, divide it by 5. What do you get? 6. So you can see a relationship that happens when you divide two numbers. 5 divided by 4, or 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 4 equals 20. 4 times 7 equals 28. 5 times 6 equals 30. So now if I put a number here, say 32, and I divide it by 4, and I say that equals x, you could say 4 times what number equals 32, and that would be 8. Now, if I put 0 on the top, we'll start off with 0 on the top before we put it on bottom, and I divide it by any random number, we'll say 9, and I put an x here, I would say, to answer this question, what does x equal? 9 times what number equals 0? And that, of course, is 9 times 0 equals 0. 9 times 0 equals 0. But if I put this, and I'll go back to my original question here, 7 divided by 0 equals x, this is an impossible situation. Undefined is an impossible situation because 0 times x, it would be like saying 0 times what number equals 7. Well, 0 times 0 certainly does not equal 7. 0 times anything doesn't equal 7. Okay, there's nothing here that equals 7. So this is an impossible situation. This is what undefined means. The situation is undefined. And when much later on, when you do graphs and stuff, you will see, how important undefined is because the graph will literally split in half when you graph lines and curves and things like that. So undefined is just a situation that is impossible because 0 times a number can never equal 7. All right, thanks. Undefined.